Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? I'm back, guys, on behalf of Easy One Up. Just want to come back to you. This is an online business, guys, that I'm marketing. It is digital information, okay? Digital information. It's courses that will teach you how to market online, and you will have access to these courses as soon as you make your payment. Okay, you landed here probably because you're searching online how to make money online. That's how you ended up on my page, or you may be one of my current subscribers. However, I'm happy to see you here. Go ahead and make sure, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay, all right, real quick, guys, I want to go over Easy One Up. What is it? As I just explained, it's digital information, okay, digital information courses. So you see I'm on this page called Vertex, okay, because there's, 6 levels: $25, okay, course, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So 6 different courses that you can access, okay, depending on what level you come at. If you come at a higher level, the lower levels are included. Okay. So that's the great thing about it. But in my humble opinion, okay, $250, $500, $1,000, are the main levels. The most popular levels are the $500 and the $1,000 level. They've added the $2,000 level. I haven't seen anybody, come to me about joining at the 2,000 level, but I have made $1,000 commissions. Okay, so I am seeing the most popular are the $500 and the $1,000 level. Okay, so at any rate, so I want to start right here at the Vertex level. I am on the page of the company's website, 250 level. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick. Here's the courses that you're going to get. And remember, once you purchase this course, once you spend $250 plus the administration fee, okay, you're going to instantly have access to these courses. So you can log into your back office, go ahead and listen in, start learning online marketing. So you're going to be able to learn and earn at the same time over here with this, okay? The next level is the Vertex Elite, which is the $500 level. Okay, and here's the courses you get here. And remember, if you're at the $5 level, okay, again, the higher you come, you get all the levels, and you're able to get paid on those levels as well. Of course, that's the best place to be. The higher you come in, the better you're positioning yourself, and you won't lose any sales. Okay, all right, now we got the $1,000 level, and here's all the courses that you would receive instantly once you make that payment. You're going to receive these courses immediately, okay? And the last level is the $2,000 level that was recently added this year. And here's all the courses for this one as well, okay? So that's what you're going to get, guys, okay? But now, as you know, we're in October. We only have, I'm going to tell you exactly because I have it on my phone. We have exactly 62 days before Christmas, okay? So everybody's getting in that mode. They're getting ready for Halloween, and after that, they're in the mode of the holiday, Christmas. So you want to start making some money, okay, for Christmas. This is a perfect opportunity. That's what I like about digital products, member-to-member direct sales programs. You get paid instantly from the person that's purchasing the product, okay? We have various ways you can get paid. It's up to you how you want to receive your money, okay? There's not one way. You can tell the person you want to receive PayPal, Cash App, Walmart to Walmart, MoneyGram, whatever you want to do, it's your business. However you want to get paid, it's up to you. So now's the time to start getting ready, guys, for the holidays and start making some money. Again, you get paid instantly here, okay? There's no cap on how many times a day you can get paid or week, because every time someone purchases any of these products, okay, 25, 100, 250 and above, anytime someone purchases product, they go to your website and they purchase a product, you're paid instantly, okay? So I just kind of jotted some notes down. I want to show you, okay, why you want to get in a program like this, okay? And this program has been around, I want to say, what, 3 years, created by Peter Woofing, okay? He's been in the industry for quite a bit of time, maybe over 18 years or so. So you're looking at a solid company. This is nothing that just launched this year, which is no problem with that. I just want to show you the validation of validity and why you want to join it, though, because you're going to get a solid company with Easy One Up, okay? So, as I explained earlier, the two most popular levels, you're dealing with digital information, okay? You get these education courses instantly. So, I just want to talk about, let's say, the $500 level. Guys, you go ahead and get in this program, okay? I've got some great bonuses if you come in at the $500 or the $1,000 level, okay? So, you want to reach out to me and find out what those bonuses are. All right, so the $500 level is the Vertex Elite. Just check this out, $500 a sale, okay? The first sale you're going to keep, this is a reverse one-up, okay? The first sale you keep, your second $500 sale, okay, will be passed up, okay? So this is powerful. Once you have your qualifying sale out of the way, guys, not to mention all the lower levels you're going to make, okay? Not only are you going to be able to make the $500 sales, you're going to be able to make the $250, the $100, the $25 sales, okay? But I'm speaking of the second sale. Your second sale is passed up. So until your second $500 sale come through, all those other sales are yours. So, but we're going to just talk about $500. Just $2,500 sales, guys, you made $10,000 with this program, okay? And it's very well possible, okay? We show you how to do it. We have the system in place. All you're going to do is plug in, okay? And not to mention the additional income, okay, from pass-ups or roll-ups. Because if someone joins you, let's say you join at the $500 level and someone joins at the $250, if they get someone that signs up for the $500 level, that's yours. That was just passed up to you or rolled up to you, okay? So you will get unlimited pass-ups and roll-ups. Direct sales, okay? This is a direct sale member-to-member program. Now, we have what I'm using. I have two systems in place. With this particular system here at besteasyworkincome.com is my Funnel X system with 5 income streams. You can go to that website there and join there if you're interested in the residual income, or if you're just looking just to do the Easy One Up by itself. I have another system in place called Vertex Lead System, and it includes my SMS texting system, okay? And you can go to mobilemoney.ws for that, mobilemoney.ws, and get the phone lead system with the Vertex system. So I've got two systems I'm using, and you can just pick one, okay, and get started, and let's start getting some traffic going to your link, okay? Now, last but not least, the $1,000 level I'm finding is also very popular. And just think 10 of those sales, you're at 10 grand. Okay. The first $1,000 sale you would keep. The second sale that comes in for $1,000, that gets passed up. But remember, all your other sales you keep until you get that second $1,000 sale. All the sales are yours. Not to mention, you can get paid on all the other levels, the lower levels, okay? And you're going to get roll-ups because, again, if your downline, your business partners aren't at the $1,000 level, okay, any of those other sales are going to roll up to you because they're not qualified, okay? So it's just unlimited potential with this, okay? You know, that's what I like about it. You never know what day when you wake up, what's going to come through. But just know you're positioned if you're at these higher levels, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about missing a commission because you're positioned, okay? So, again, you want to go ahead and check out my website. Go to besteasyworkincome.com or go to Mobile Money, www.mobilemoney.ws, okay? And go ahead and get started. Plug in to my systems, okay? That way you don't have to do all the selling and telling, guys. We've got everything in place, ready to go for you to plug in. You don't have to think about what you need to do next, okay? Let me show you one of my other pages real quick that I'm also using, okay? Let's see. Let's see if we can get that page to come up here really quickly. While I'm waiting for that to come up, I'm going to put my link below also for the texting system. So if you're not in Easy One Up, or you are in Easy One Up and you're looking for a way to get more leads and signups, text message marketing is a great marketing method. Okay, I'm going to put the link below for that. So check out this page, guys. Just imagine sending traffic over here. Okay, how proven system sends multiple payments of $250, $500, $1,000 directly to you. So another page you can use, okay, to get them to look at your Easy One Up business. Okay, so this is a great place to be. Easy One Up. Getting ready for the holidays, guys. Start getting some traffic over to your website. Start making these instant commissions. You don't have to wait on a paycheck. You're going to get paid at the point of sale. That's the beauty of direct sales member-to-member programs, okay? So that's all I've got for you today. Check out my Easy One Up business. I'm going to put the link below. Go through the funnel, watch the video, jot down your questions, then let's have a conversation. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. I do work from home full time, so I'm available. Text me. We can make an appointment, and I'll be happy to discuss this program with you guys, okay? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. You will be notified, okay? And reach out to me on my bonuses as well. So look forward to partnering with you guys. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.